Hello, everybody. If you're trying to open up a Telegram channel, but it gets the error that the channel cannot be displayed, in today's video, we'll show you step by step how to fix the issue on your phone or your computer. So let's just get into it. So if you're on your Android device, what you can do is you can go ahead and disable the filtering or just go ahead and turn off the sensitive content. So what you can do is you can go ahead and open up a browser instead and access the Telegram in your browser. Go over to Chrome and open it up. Once you open up Chrome, you can just go ahead and search for telegram.com and open up Telegram on your screen like this. Once you open up Telegram, which should be this website right here, telegram.org, you can sign in into your account. So you can basically sign in. You can go ahead and look out for the sign in option and sign in into your account first. Go ahead to their login page and enter up your country code here. After that, once it is done, you can go ahead and enter up your phone number in this phone number box and just go ahead and tap on login and log in into your account. Now, once you are logged in, you will be finding all of your chats available on your screen. You need to go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right left corner of your screen and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you may just go ahead and tap on the settings from the given menu available on your screen and open it up. Now that you have access to settings, the next step you need to do is you need to scroll down to privacy and security option. So go ahead and find it up and tap on it, and that should open up your privacy and security option. You can scroll down and go ahead and find the option for sensitive content. After you find it up, you just need to go ahead and turn this option off right here. You can uncheck this option by tapping on it. And once you do so, it will turn off the filtering and you can just go ahead and turn it off that way. If the channel is restricted in your country, you can try using a VPN because that may be also the reason. And that's it. That's how you fix that error on your Telegram. So if this video helped, give it a like and drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.